Whoa, dust storm. This is crazy. At least it's not red this time. Look, can you see that dust? I'm not sure you can, because I can see it. And I'm looking through my door. I can't open it. The last time I did that for you guys, yeah, I almost got blinded and a mouthful of sand and everything. I'm not opening the door. No, this is it right here. Not. I'm gonna go to the front. Whoa. Oh my god. It's crazy. Yeah. It's great. Look at that. What time is it? I know it's probably. See if I could get the time. But it's yeah. Nice stuff. I just decorated that tree. What is that? Maybe I could open the window a little bit to at least let you guys get some of the sound. Okay, so I'm still inside.